We're at the Royal Gorge and we're waiting in line to get on the gondola ride. But all of a sudden it got to be really high wind, and so we're waiting in standby before we get on. Look at that train track down there on the left side of the river. So we're gonna stand in line and wait.
Like I was saying, they ask me how fast does gondola go, right? So I tell them, gondola, when it's running at full speed, runs at 1,000 feet per minute, right? So from north platform all the way to south platform is 2,500 feet. So it takes, what, roughly 2.5 minutes. Then you have your docking time, so it's about 4 or 5 minutes.